rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Gary K. Thanks for joining me for another edition of my Rants and Raves video cast, where we talk about a lot of new products and new technology. And today we're lucky to be able to talk about both. I'm joined with Raymond Budd, who is the Senior Sales Manager at Calibre. Raymond, how are you?
Yeah, absolutely great, Gary, and great to join you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. So a few weeks ago at Launch Week 5, you talked about your new all-in-one LED. And, that's obviously all-in-one LEDs are going to be a big part of the future of AV meeting rooms, classrooms. And it's going to allow us to kind of go to a digital canvas kind of environment. Why don't you kind of give us an update on where you are with that? And are you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, as you know, we just launched our latest all-in-one LEDFusion Pro series over at Launch Week 5 in March. It was a fantastic event. Thank you very much. So it's a brand new product series with flexible sizes and user scenarios to go with the current market trends. However, it's really important to convey that it's not just standalone 130-inch display. Users are able to decide on the sizes and combine two or more LEDFusion Pro displays to match their space requirements. So I've got a couple of slides here we're going to have a look at here.
So in an environment where you want an even larger canvas, you can kind of daisy chain them together?
Yeah, absolutely. So large and flexible size LEDFusion Pro displays, they're highly compatible for different meeting spaces. You know, the high visual quality provides a more engaging environment for both meeting participants and remote workers. And equally, with the unique 4-in-1 LED design, LEDFusion Pro can endure 4 times the frost force than traditional 1010 SMD displays. It makes it robust and far more easy to repair than COB LED displays. So this ensures that the LEDFusion Pro can be used for dual systems, satisfying different requirements from users. And again, here, if we look at here, we've got the Calibre Canvas solution. It includes Calibre's leading H Cooper 1000 scalar switcher, enables the installers to tailor versatile meeting scenarios for users that will best to suit different applications of this hybrid workspace. It features advanced screen layout composition, seamless preset switch, and user-friendly control interface. And again, content management is really, really simple with this because Canvas solution comes with an intuitive web GUI control interface, Canvas Composer. And again, with this, users are able to visualize the screen layout and edit such as layers, inputs, and area of interest. AV installers will be easier to design layouts which users want if using the touchpad on the Canvas Composers. Again, it will be easy to change the layout positions, sizes, using fingers to drag and zoom the content. And equally, the solution can also integrate Optoma Management Suite. And again, OMS is a multiple device management system to monitor, control, and diagnose Canvas devices. Users will be able to remotely switch presets, broadcast messages, and schedule contents. And again, just finally, what's more, LEDFusion Pro is designed with energy-efficient features that comply with corporate ESG policies compared to traditional LED displays and can save approximately 30% power consumption within a regular working environment.
So I have a question for you. Does it? Calibre has a long history of building image processing for high-end applications, video walls, and even digital signage applications. I'm curious, with this particular product, since you do have a processor as part of it, is the input just exclusively HDMI? Can you handle DisplayPort? When you go from one display to the other, are you using DisplayPort as the transfer protocol? And is it compatible with AV over IP?
Yes, absolutely. It's an all-in-one solution to give it the total canvas solution for whatever application you're looking for.
And is the input HDMI or DisplayPort or both?
It's both. It's
okay, fantastic. Good. And it's shipping now?
Yeah, absolutely shipping. I mean, worldwide, it's been an absolutely wonderful solution, and it's gone really, really well across the globe. And we're really, really proud of it. And we're going to be exhibiting it at some of the forthcoming exhibitions in the exhibition season.
Yeah, so you'll be at ISE, obviously. You'll be at Infocom as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So Calibre's part of the Optoma Group, specialising in LED solutions. So again, we'll be ISE in Barcelona. I think we're going to showcase a 1x2 splice LED, and I think we're in Hall 3, booth 3D 600. And again, in June, we'll also be having a private showcase at the Westgate Hotel in Las Vegas. Again, showcasing an identical solution. We've also got a demo site in Dallas, and absolutely anyone's welcome to come and book a product demo.
Okay, so for Infocom, you'll be in a suite, not on the show floor. So they need to make sure that they get in touch with their Calibre rep. You go to calibre.com, calibre.com, CALIBREUK.com, to book a demo for Infocom. And what hotel did you say you're going to be at for Infocom?
Yeah, it's at the Westgate Hotel in Las Vegas.
It's connected onto the convention center, so it's real easy. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So again, go to the website, speak to your local dealer, and we'd be absolutely more than welcome to welcome you.
Excellent. Raymond, thank you very much for the update. Congratulations on a successful launch and a really cool product. And obviously, I'm in agreement with you that the future of meeting rooms and classrooms is going to be a very large digital canvas where you're able to put lots of content on the screen at the same time. So check it all out at calibreuk.com, CALIBREUK.com. Raymond, thank you very much for joining me today.
That's great to join you. Thank you very much, Gary. And you take care, sir.
And thank you all for watching my rants and raves. If you want to watch or listen to any of my rants and raves at any time, just go to ravepubs.com, iTunes, or wherever you get your podcasts. Have a great day.
Rave Radio. With rants and raves,